Hey, good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday to you. Hopefully, you're watching this on a Tuesday because otherwise that sounds weird. But here we are. Hope you had a great weekend. My weekend was too short. My Geek Squad shift went 12 hours on Saturday. I was like, brah, it was supposed to be like 8 hours. So, anyways, I didn't get home until like 9 o'clock. That was a big bummer. But I did get to watch the Broncos play on Sunday. Broncos are very bad. I love them very much. I am loyal to them, but I can call it like I see it. They're pretty bad. Hopefully they figure it out because that's what teams need to do. Anyways, not sad about that at all. We're gonna move right on to our awesome Week 4 roadmap. I think you all will really like this one because it's actually not too big. It's pretty short, but there's a lot of purpose buried in here. Let's talk about it. So this week, what we're going to do today in class, you're going to take the District Common Assessment, which I'm actually not going to frown about. I don't know, if I can, I don't want to say this too loud for the other teachers to hear. Social Studies Common Assessments are a lot of fun compared to some of the other ones, right? So ours is kind of like a big puzzle, and you have to kind of like every piece, like you sort it out. Like I don't know, just quarter one, my kiddos were like, actually that was kind of fun. We liked that one. So you guys get to do that, and what's really cool is I actually get to share with you the results next time I see you. So I get to show you. I'm not going to show you like every kiddo, like, hey, Logan, you got this great. But like I get to show you as a group how you all did. Pretty cool stuff. So that's what we're going to do today in class. So make sure you do your best on that, of course, and just be honest because it's a good assessment of me as a teacher as well. So I need to truly know how good I'm doing. But when we look at the roadmap here, you're going to have this video. So obviously you found that. Nice. We have the common assessment. What you're going to really work on is the geography study guide. So for those who don't know, we finished geography this week. We're donezo. And then we got Thanksgiving next week. Nice. Hope everyone plays video games and eats too much food. And then we come back and start our next unit. So yeah, kind of craziness for sure. So it is very important that you all get ready for the assessment that we're going to do, which is a zombie apocalypse on Thursday. Okay, so I will talk to you more about that tomorrow during office hours. But I'll get you set up for that. So one piece that you can do is a study guide. So you're going to do that today and tomorrow. And then you have makeup work. So just so you know, as of Friday, I can no longer accept any old work, right? And I'll probably extend that to, let's do it Friday. Let's make sure everything's done Friday. I might give an extra day. I don't want you working on your break. Like, shocker, I want you guys to have fun and relax. But just know I can't accept any work past that because like the unit's done. I have to like submit the grades for that. So it's kind of locked out at that point. So you will have time in class to do that. Then we're going to do the zombie apocalypse assessment on Thursday. That's it. Finished. Pretty straightforward, right? So I'm going to zip over here to 5. Look at that. It's so light. Like I'm spoiling you guys. Look at that. There's only 4 things, and one of them is this video, right? It's pretty crazy. So yeah, not bad. So on the study guide, I'm going to show it to you now. There are 4 parts. Your goal is to do 2 parts today, right? Like just throughout today to knock out 2 parts. So the part 1 is absolute location. So study the map and then answer the questions below. Okay, so make sure you study the map, take a look. Okay, what are they showing me? All right, I can kind of see the grid and then answer the questions here. Take a look at the map. If you take a look at the map for a little bit, it's going to help you out. Scale. I do want to talk to you all about scale because this will also be on the zombie apocalypse. So with scale, every map, pretty much every map, including the map I'm going to give you, shows you, like down here, if you can see it, the 0 to 400 kilometers is that much. So on this, you need to have a ruler, but honestly, you can use anything. Like I can use my cell phone if I wanted to and just say, oh, up to this. So from here to here, it's actually pretty close. It's 400 kilometers. So that way I can use that exact thing to measure. Obviously with a ruler, much easier. So if you need to get a ruler, go for it. On my computer screen, as long as I don't zoom in or anything, 1/2 an inch, 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 is 400 kilometers. So then I know I can start measuring that out. So if I have 2.5 inches, then it's 800 kilometers, right? That's how you'll do scale here. That's how you do scale in real life. And that's also how you do scale on that zombie apocalypse. So just keep that in mind. See, I'm giving you all hints right now. So yeah, go ahead and work through this. Again, you guys have seen all these maps. It's not there to trick you or anything. It's there to get you ready for when we do the zombie apocalypse, right? The map analysis, right? So use the map to help you answer the questions below. So again, it's going to ask you like, what does this map show? Make sure you look at the key over here on the right to show you what's going on. And then part number 4 is pretty awesome. It's about adaptation. So if you were to move to San Francisco, right, this has a bunch of information about San Francisco. Is it just like Colorado? Can you just bring your same exact clothing and be good? Or would you have to make a bunch of changes, right? Do they have different plants and animals to be ready for, things like that, right? Are there any spiders? If so, let me know so I can stay here, because I don't do the spider things. You guys know that. So that's really it. So if you look at the roadmap, right, on Tuesday, I need you to do parts 1 and 2. So that's today. And then tomorrow, you're going to do parts 3 and 4. That's it. That's the roadmap. We're done. All right. Those 4 parts are to get you ready for the zombie apocalypse, which is happening on Thursday. And then the whole time, once you're done with all that, your goal is to make up work. Because remember, after Friday, I can't really accept any because I have to get it all graded and put in. Okay. So you have tons of time to make up any work that you're missing. And I would start from the most recent stuff and work your way back. So if you're still wrapping up week 4 or week 3 from last week, cool. Wrap that puppy up, send it in to me, then work your way back from there. But that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward stuff. We'll talk about it in class, of course. Get you ready for the district common assessment today. And then, of course, the zombie apocalypse assessment on Thursday. And then have an amazing, amazing break that you will have earned very much. So I don't want you working on that break. Make sure you take time to relax. And, of course, I'll see you on the other end. I will see you all in class. Bye.